stampin.com. Thanks for joining me today. Man, oh man, I have something exciting for you guys today. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to share with you information about my monthly card club. So I have been dabbling in a little bit of online online classes and trying to figure out what I wanted to offer you guys, and I have finally had the time to really sit down and look at what I wanted to offer and mold this program into what I want it to be. And here it is. It is my monthly card club, and that's the name of it. I say that because, man, I was sitting down trying to figure out some really cool name for it and stuff, and it was just taking entirely too long. So we're just gonna call this my monthly card club. There you go. Self-explanatory. Anyways, so how does my monthly card club work? Basically, we're going to have a featured stamp set / bundle every single month, and we're going to create a total of 6 cards that feature that stamp set in that bundle. So for the month of September, here we go. This is this month's club. So my card club is great because it's a monthly club with no commitments. So you don't have to worry about dues or anything like that. You can cancel and you can sign up at any time you want. However, there is a perk to being consistent, and that is when you sign up for 6 months consecutively, you will get a $25 product bonus for free from me. So that means you get to pick $25 worth of products out of any of our catalogs, and you get it for free. Isn't that awesome? I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? Anyways, so the goal of this class is it was actually created with you guys in mind. Well, all levels of crafters in mind. Okay, so the projects are pretty easy to create. They're simple and they're fun. So as you can see here, there's some really awesome cards here that are really easy for beginners and avid crafters alike. So in order to get started, all you have to do is sign up. I have a link down below with the registration form, and I'll also have a link to the page for the information that I'm telling you right now over on my website in the description box as well down below. So this is the card club for September 2019. I'm really excited about this because it's so stinking cute. Who can just resist these cute and adorable monsters? There are no spiders on here, so that's great. But anyways, your monthly kit is going to include the following. You're going to have enough supplies to create a total of 6 cards. So the cards that you see here, we're going to create 2 of each of the designs. And all of the cardstock is going to be pre-cut, and you're going to have the embellishments, the ribbon, and the twine that comes with it. And I will even tie your bows for you. Now, the one thing I'm not going to do, though, is everything's going to be pre-cut except for these monsters. You're going to have to fuzzy cut those out on your own. Sorry, but that's just part of the class. And like I said, I don't know if I said this already, but envelopes are included, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can mail them out to all of your family and friends and show them how awesome of a stamper you are. Another thing that is included is the Boo to You stamp set. So you're going to get this in your kit. Isn't it cute? So stinking adorable. And the pack of googly eyes that coordinate with this. So much fun. You'll also receive a full color PDF with step-by-step instructions and photos. And as a bonus perk, you're going to have access to an exclusive club members Facebook group where it is specifically designed for my club members during the months you're active, and that is where I will showcase how to put the projects together. There's also a community where you can post projects that you create with with the stamp sets and stuff as well. Okay, so that is an added perk. Another cool thing that I'm offering is that if you invite or refer a friend and they actually subscribe, then you will receive free Monster Bash enamel shapes. Yeah. So that is one added bonus that I wanted to add on. So let's say you already have the Boo to You stamp set because you just couldn't wait. You already bought it. You're kind of impulsive like me. It's okay. No judgment. you are always welcome to substitute the product for equal value, okay? So there will be a text box on the registration form when you scroll down where you can write in your substitute items. I just ask that you include, and there's an example on there, you include the item name and the item number so I know exactly what it is, okay? And then that will be added onto your kit price as well. So what are some of the perks? First off, there's no commitment and no obligations to purchase. You can join and cancel at any time. However, you are rewarded for consistency and rewards for participation. So if you participate in 6 consecutive months, you will get that $25 product bonus from me. You'll also receive free annual and seasonal catalogs. And there's a community of friendships and relationships with access to our exclusive Card Club only Facebook group. There are options to add on items to complete the projects. So all of the products are not going to be included in the kit. However, there is an add-on option, like for example, the adhesives, the inks, the markers, that kind of stuff is not included in the kit unless you annotate that on the registration form. You'll also receive a free gift when you refer a friend who subscribes, and as always, I will include a beautifully hand-stamped card as a token of my appreciation and my thank you, because I love you guys just that much. So how much does this cost? The project kit itself is going to cost $27, and there'll be $8 additional in shipping because I have to mail it to you guys, and I want to make sure it's priority shipping so that way it's tracked and I can keep an eye on it and make sure it gets to you. There is also a tutorial only option. So if you already have everything that you need to create these projects as is, or you want to remix and do your own thing and you love the way the templates are made out, I will have a tutorial only option, which is $10. You can purchase the tutorial at any time. The tutorials are good forever. And when the class deadline hits, I will no longer be creating kits for that class. However, like I said, the tutorial lasts forever, so you'll be able to always purchase it and use it. So how do you join? All you have to do is simply register by the 18th of the month, and you'll be added to the registration list, and I will send you a PayPal invoice within 24 to 48 hours, which has to be paid by the 18th of the month, by the deadline. And the reason why I have such strict deadlines on this stuff is because I want to make sure that I can get all of the products, so I can because I have to actually, I'm by myself, so I have no helper, so I'm gonna have to cut and score and prep and punch all this stuff out for you, and I want to make sure I can put it all in one order, so that way I don't have to drive up the shipping costs on that stuff. Okay, so just bear that in mind. There are strict timelines for a reason. You'll be able to find all of the timelines on my website, and there will be a button on there as well for you to join the club. So like I said, registration is due by the 18th of the month. And in order to receive your product bonus, remember you do have to participate consecutively 6 months in a row, or you'll lose out on those consistency rewards when you skip months, okay? Couple of things to note: there are no stamped images going to be provided because that is Stampin' Up! Policy. So that is why I included the stamp set, and I have a list of additional supplies like the inks and stuff that I used, because I can't stamp the little monsters, cut them out for you, and send them to you, okay? And that takes out all the fun, right? So that is one of the things. And another thing is I can only ship to U.S. addresses for the project bundles. However, anyone can purchase the online tutorials. On my website, I have a list of all of the additional supplies that will be needed that I used on the projects if you want to create them as is. It will also be listed in the PDF as well. And once again, there are estimated timelines. I do ask that you kind of like bear with me because this is the first time I'm really kicking my online club off. And so I'm trying to figure out what is the sweet spot as far as my timelines go. So right now, registration is due on the 18th. I will place the orders on the 18th, between the 18th and the 19th. And I will prep the packets between the 18th and the 26th. It just depends on how fast I can get the stuff. The tutorials will all be emailed out on the 27th of the month, and the kits will ship at the end of the month. So that is the goal. The goal for this month is the 30th. However, just bear with me. It may come earlier. It may come a little later. But if it comes late, hopefully not, I will be in contact with you guys to let you know. And I will update it on my website as well. One of the perks that I have is for this too. And let's say you want it and you love it, but you want the card class for free. You want the tutorials for free. And you want this, the project bundle at a discount. Well, there's an option to join my team. And if you have any questions about becoming an Operation Inker, I would love to answer them. And I would love to have you as a member of our amazing group of stamping ladies. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. But anyways. All right, so that is a breakdown of my monthly club. Like I said, this is September's club. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, be sure to hit me up in the comments down below. There's also a frequently asked question or a FAQ section on my website to tell you about like when the packages ship and how much to pay and all that good stuff. And there is additional information on the registration form that will be linked down in the description box below. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys. So until next month, thanks for watching and happy stamping.